Replit agent can now deploy your apps that you build. You know, the other night, in 5 minutes, just in bed, I built a dart scoring game. You know, a scoreboard of dart as an app, because I was bored. I saw somebody on LinkedIn saying something about how they did that, and I was like, well, I can do that with Claude 3.5 Sonnet and artifacts. I was able to do that. Think you're in the pub next time and you're playing darts with your mates. Hold on, let me just code an app that can do that for us. And it takes you literally 5 minutes, not even. Right? It took me 5 minutes because I was like, make the UX UI better, you know, make these things, put tips, rule. You know, if not, I had the functioning app in less than a minute, you know, but then I made it really good looking. So I think that also the jobs that we thought were huge jobs, you know, like development and computer science people, you know, so developers and coders and stuff like that, where those are, I think, the first ones that are going to be hurt. Because now I don't need 10 developers to do that. I can have 1 or 2 that is going to do the job of 10 to 20 potentially, right?
Yeah.
And I'm sure at some point, you and I, you know, I don't know your development skills, but, you know, I did 10-week course back in the day because it was very important. You know, we'll be able to just say, hey, you know, I need a CRM and my CRM should act like this. It should integrate, you know, to this, and it should have a form on my website. And your computer, whatever that we're going to use for it, is going to build the whole thing. And it's going to be like, okay, yeah, that works. Like, great. So this is what's happening with Klarna and Salesforce. I don't know if you've seen that. Klarna is getting rid of their Salesforce subscription, their Workday subscription, because they can build with no code, low code. They can build all those CRMs, all those productivity apps. I can build you that. Like, I mean, Salesforce is horrific. You know, I have a client that has Salesforce. You know, I look at it. You know, HubSpot, great, but HubSpot even went in the wrong direction because of their pricing model. They went too advanced on the pricing. Everybody's confused. Like you don't know how to, what subscription to get, because every subscription has different plans and every product has different. It's just so confusing, right? But today, I can build you an app that does that, and it'll be custom made for you, and it have generative AI features right away, and you potentially can just talk to it. You know, none of us, the problem is not, you know, going and entering data, because we don't like that, right? The problem is that we don't like that. So what if you were able to just to say, hey, yeah, I just spoke to Shane. Here's the conversation, you know, just create the deal. Bam, the whole deal is created. Oh, yeah, let's just follow up with him. Right. Boom, done again, right? That's what's happening right now.
That is going to be incredible.